I never planned for this to happen. I swear. I just wanted to teach English, drink my tea while it was still hot for once, and go home without correcting grammar in my head. But life loves surprises. And sometimes, life says, here. Fall in love. At the worst possible time. Let me start from the beginning. My name is Sarah. I'm an English teacher at a small language institute. Nothing fancy. Old whiteboard. Markers that die suddenly. Chairs that make noise when students move. You know the type. I've been teaching for 6 years. I know all kinds of students. The sleepy ones. The talkative ones. The teacher, can I go bathroom, ones. And my favorite. Teacher, I didn't do homework, again. So when he walked into my class, I didn't feel anything special. At first. His name was Adam. He came late. Of course. He stood at the door, holding his bag like it was too heavy for him. He said, "Sorry, teacher. Traffic." I smiled politely. "Please sit." That's it. Nothing dramatic. But then, he spoke. Not loudly. Not confidently. But honestly. His English was broken. Simple words. Wrong tenses. Yet when he spoke, he tried. Really tried. And for a teacher, that matters. Over the weeks, I noticed small things. Adam always sat in the second row. Never the front. Never the back. He listened carefully. He wrote slowly. Like each word mattered. When I asked a question, he didn't raise his hand fast. But when I called his name, he answered. Sometimes wrong. Sometimes very wrong. And then he laughed at himself. Sorry, teacher. My English is shy today. The class laughed. I laughed too. I thought, he's sweet. That's all. Sweet. One day, I gave a speaking activity. Talk about someone who changed your life, I said. Students talked about parents, friends, YouTubers. Yes. YouTubers. Then Adam stood up. He took a deep breath. My life was small, he said. Silence. I didn't speak. I didn't try. I was scared. He looked at the floor. But now, I am here. I am learning. Slowly. But I am moving. He smiled. The class clapped. I felt something in my chest. Like a soft knock. I ignored it. I was a teacher. He was my student. End of story. Or so I thought. After class, he stayed back. Teacher, he said, can I ask something? Yes. How do I stop being afraid when I speak? I paused. Good question. I said. You don't stop fear. You speak with it. He nodded seriously, like I just gave him life advice. That day, I went home thinking about him. Just as a student. I told myself that. Many times. Weeks passed. Adam improved. His sentences became longer. His confidence grew. And something else grew too. Something I didn't want to name. One day, he joked. Teacher, if English was a person, I think it would be angry with me. I laughed. No, I said. English likes effort. He smiled at me. That smile stayed in my head all day. Annoying smile. Then came the day everything changed. It was raining. Hard. Half the class was absent. Adam came, wet hair, wet shoes. You came in this rain? I asked. He shrugged. I don't like missing class. My heart did a stupid thing. It beat faster. I turned to the board quickly. Focus, Sarah. Focus. After class, the rain was still heavy. The institute was almost empty. Adam waited near the door. Teacher, he said softly, the buses are not coming. I looked outside. It was bad. Wait inside, I said. It's safer. So we waited. Silence. Awkward silence. The kind where you suddenly hear the clock. Tick. Tick. Then he said. You like teaching? Yes, I said quickly. Why? I thought. Because I like helping people find their voice. He nodded. You helped me. That knock in my chest came back. Louder. Days later, Adam told me he was leaving the course soon. My job is moving me to another city. Oh, I said. Just one word. But inside, everything moved. Oh, I meant. I'll miss you. Oh, I meant. Why does this hurt? Oh, I meant. I'm in trouble. The night before his last class, I couldn't sleep. I kept telling myself. This is wrong. Teacher. Student. Line. Do not cross. But feelings don't read rules. On his last day, I gave a small speech. You all improved, I said. I'm proud of you. Adam looked at me. Really looked. After class, he came closer. Teacher, he said, can I say something honest? My heart said no. My mouth said yes. I know this is strange, he said slowly, but you changed me. Not just my English. I swallowed. I respect you, he added quickly. I don't want to make you uncomfortable. I breathed. Then I said the truth. Adam. I feel something too. Silence. Heavy silence. Then I continued. But right now, I am your teacher. And you are my student. So this is where we stop. He nodded. I understand. That hurt more than I expected. Months passed. No messages. No calls. I focused on work. Life went on. Then one day, I got an email. Hello, Sarah. This is Adam. I finished my course months ago. I hope you are well. I stared at the screen. Long time. Then I replied. Hello, Adam. I'm doing well. I hope you are too. We started talking. Carefully. Slowly. Like two people walking on thin ice. 1 year later, we met for coffee. Just coffee. We talked. We laughed. He spoke English confidently now. I teased him. Your English is not shy anymore. He smiled. Because I learned to speak with fear. I looked at him. Not as my student. But as a man. Life is strange. Sometimes love comes at the wrong time. Sometimes it waits. And sometimes it teaches you patience. This is not a perfect love story. But it's real. And sometimes that's enough.